and welcome to day 13 of 100 days of Power BI. Today is day 13. I'm super excited. And on day 12, we actually started a new course in the series, in the Power BI series, in the live streaming. We actually started getting our hands dirty and actually studying a case study, which is analyzing customer churn in Power BI. You can catch all of that on the live stream of day 12. Without further ado, let's get started because we have a lot to cover.
Let's get back to it. This time you'll be analysing the demographics of DataBell. If we look back at the 5 data analysis steps from Chapter 1, it's easy to see we're only at Step 2. We did optimise some of our visualizations already, so we don't lose too much time on Step 3, finding fitting visualizations to convey a message. Given Power BI is a data visualization tool, it actually makes sense to combine Steps 2 and 3. We already found some key insights. We know the average churn rate is around 27%, and that the main reason why customers churn is related to competitors. This could raise questions such as, is DataBell competitive enough? We also discovered that the churn rate in California is abnormally high at 63.24%, but it does sound a bit too early to make any general conclusions. We don't have a clear explanation yet for the relatively high churn rate of 27%, and there are still so many columns we need to analyze. We started creating calculated fields from the get-go to measure the churn rate. This was a great start, but now that we're a bit deeper in the analysis, we should make sure we have a holistic analysis plan. Looking at the metadata sheet, it's easy to realize we only used a handful out of the 29 columns in the database so far. It's a good practice to have a structured approach to your analysis. The metadata in the sheet is grouped in different categories, so let's follow that approach when analyzing the data. We can create different pages in Power BI to analyze these different topics. Not every analysis will reveal insights, but nonetheless, it's important to do your exploratory analysis thoroughly. Now it's your turn. Are you ready to analyze the demographics of DataBell?